students, welcome again in my 6th lecture. As you are very happy seeing me or not, I don't know that, but let's see with this how we are starting this lecture. And students, lecture wise, you are watching us in the virtual classrooms and you are enjoyed a lot, no? I think so, because there is no need to come in the school, and whatever the enjoy you are doing here, it's up to you now. Okay? So now move towards our supplementary reader, because in the flamingo, that is our literature part, we have completed 2 prose and 1 poem. Now we move towards the supplementary reader. Its name is Vistas. Okay, if you don't have the book, then purchase it as possible, as early as possible. Now students, see Vistas. Actually, what is the meaning of Vistas? Can you just tell me what is the meaning of Vistas? Why they are taking such a weird name? No, if you are not getting the meaning, then you are saying that man, this is very weird. No, what is the name of Vistas? Vistas means an overview of anything we are taking in our mind. That is known as Vistas. So here, supplementary reader is only for you, but as a tradition of here of Gujarat, so I am teaching this lesson to you. Actually, no need to teach this lesson, but I am teaching. So, chapter 1, the name of the chapter is Third Level. It is written by Jack Finney. Before starting this chapter, I want to tell about the today's life. In the previous poem, I taught you that today's life is very insecure. We have a lot of fear in our mind. We are not secure. We are always stressed. We are always living in depression. Means we have so many things we are experiencing in today's life. So whenever we are facing such difficulties, we want to escape from such difficulties. We want to escape from our regular life, and we want to live an enjoyed and very, we can say that, worth living life. So, worth living life. And the students see what happened, as the writer Jack is saying that he compared his daily life with level first and second, and third level he is comparing with an imaginary fantasy life. The life is filled with fantasies. Only we are, whatever we want, we are getting in that life. That is known as worth. Means we can say that it is a worth living life, or we are enjoying all the fantasies. They are really or very different from the reality. Okay. So the Jack is calling it third level. Actually, the Charlie is the character in this lesson, and he is experiencing the third level. So what is the third level that he existed in his psychological mind? He is always thinking about, he is always curious to know, he is always thinking and searching the third level. Once he got it, but whenever he tried next time, he is not, we can say that, getting that third level. So students, as I told you, our life is very stressful. We have lot of burden, okay, including we all are well sufficient intellectual persons, we all are sufficient with money and all the luxurious life we are living. Then also our life contains lot of tensions. We all 60-70% we have stressed, and only 30% we are including in other activities. So what we are doing, we are just awaiting for any festival, or we can say any vacation. If we are getting any vacation, we just wait, leave our all works, all regular course that we are having, we just leave that, and we are enjoying all the festivals, all the vacations we are getting, we enjoyed a lot. We all just booked the tickets and went there. Why? Because we want to take the escape from our real life. We are sick and tired of our daily routine. If suppose you are doing the same activity every day, if that activity you found that on the first day that activity is very important for you, but whenever the same activity you are following for 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 days, then this is, we can say that, boring. Maybe this activity find out in a found means you have to be in a depressed way or in a depressed manner. That is why we need some change. And you know that India is a country of unity and diversity, and always we found different festivals, and we are enjoying the festivals too. Why? Because to get rid of this bored life and to enjoy our life in a very happiest way. Okay, so money thinking very less about their, we can say that, proper happiness of their life. They are not getting that happiness, and that is why they are always sad. If you see, the person is always making or comparing the others, and that is why he is very sad, because he is making comparison of himself. We are the only one namuna that God has made us. Okay, no other namuna is like ours. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो हमारे जैसा है. Means all we are unique. Everyone the God has given the special quality in us. Why then we are comparing others? Why then we are feeling depressed, and why we are searching happiness in others? So students, as God Krishna is always saying that if you are searching the happiness, you will not be succeed in that. And if you want to, and you are, we can say that you have a activity quality that you can feel the happiness, then definitely you will get the happiness. Again I will repeat this sentence. God Krishna is always saying that if you want to live a happy life, and if you are searching for the happiness, you will not get it. But if you want to feel the happiness in any condition, then you will definitely get that happiness. Means what? Happiness and money, these two are the different things. If you want the poor child, as the in slum areas, have you seen the poor child are just playing and enjoying, and they don't know about the schools also. Even Sadhguru, if you are hearing about Sadhguru, then Sadhguru is saying that school is a best place for the students. Now, तुम लोग ऐसा बोलोगे मैम आप क्या बोल रहे हो? Yes, in school, many students are getting depressed. Okay, they are not enjoying their life. They can't define what is their choice, what is their, we can say that, speciality. Okay, what is the unique gift the God has given to them. Okay, if they are living such a life, so we can say that we have to include, means the government of India has to include the meditation topic in the syllabus. If, as we are all are just learning the subjects physics, chemistry, maths and bio and English and computer and so on. But one subject the government has to add, that is meditation. Because with meditation we can truly enjoy the life. And only this, how to get rid of the regular chores and how to involve in a leisure activity, how to get the happiness, this one only the writer has explained very nicely in this chapter. So students, see, here the writer has taken we can say that the place New York and subway of the Grand Central in New York. Means subway means the short way. You know, subway means what? The short way. So the Grand Central station is one station situated in New York, and Charlie is a person. He got a subway to reach to Grand Central, and he is very happy. You also have, you know, if we are getting the subways, then we are very happy. I am not talking about subway game or restaurant. I am talking about subway is the, we can say, short ways. So the Charlie is a person, he always is searching for the short ways. We are also very in a hurry that if you want to get more marks, then you are making copy to each other. No, you are asking the students, because without doing any study, you have to score good marks. Is it possible? No. So here, Charlie is a person, accidentally, I am not saying that accidentally he found the subway to the Grand Central Station in New York. And the people are traveling through train from Galesburg in the year 1894. So students, see, actually Charlie is a person, he is living in first and second level, means present. First and second level shows the present, and third level is just the imaginary, we can say the psychological level, and the level filled with fantasies. Realities are absent in this level. So Charlie is a person, whenever he got the subway, he found that he reached in the third level, where the scenario is totally different. All the people, means it is the year of 1894. And he was living in right now 2020, suppose we can take. Suppose Charlie is living in 2020, and whenever he got the subway to Grand Central Station, he found that all the people are living in old style, The currency was also old. He haven't seen the currency also. Means he found that whenever he saw over the board, he found that it was the year 1894. Means very old. It is the time of 1890s, and he was living in 20s. So great difference he found there. And he found that whenever Charlie reached to the third level. Now students see why here the Jack has tried to explain the third level. So the Charlie is a person, he wanted to get rid of the current life and he wanted to take some enjoyment in his life. That is why the Charlie's third level is a medium of escape from the harsh realities of the modern life. Get it? Means what? Charlie is a person, he is finding some enjoyment, some happiness in the third level. He is saying that the third level is very nice. The third level has a worth living life. All the people are very happy. Their life is very self-sufficient and very reliant, we can say. They all are very living silently. There is a smile over their face. They have a lot of time to spend with their children. That is the life he had seen in the third level. Actually, the third level is not exist. Whenever he went one time only, accidentally he reached there in the third level, and whenever he tried to find out the third level next time, he is not succeeded, we can say. Why? Because the third level actually is not existent. It is just the imagination that Charlie is having because he want to get rid from his modern life and the harsh realities that we are facing today. As I told you that today's life is filled with stress, fear, okay? We can't live the definite life. We can't live the exact life that what we have wanted. We have to make we can say that compromise with the consequences, with the situation, with the people we are meeting. Means in every field of life, we have to make the compromise. So this is the today's life. That is why I am saying to you that today's life is not the definite life. Okay. So Charlie is a person, he is always busy in finding the relaxation to his mind. That is why accidentally he reached to the third level. But such a type of level is not existed there. Actually, he wants some relaxation to his daily routine, and then to escape from his busy routine, he wants the relaxed life, and that is why he made the fantasies in his mind and he reached in the third level. Got it? Now what happened? Whenever he reached in the third level, actually the people were very happy. They were just enjoying their way life. They have a lot of time. They are each and every moment of life they are enjoying. Actually, what happened today? Now you know that COVID-19 is spread very badly. So all we are what awaiting for? We are just awaiting for when the COVID-19 gone and our life will again, the new life will come to us. But we can't be sure about that. Okay, means what? We all have a fear in our mind. We all have a depression in our mind. Maybe I have a COVID-19 and maybe it is possible for me to see the tomorrow or not. Means that is we can say that indefinite life we all are living. So Charlie found that in the third level all the people are very happy. Okay, their dressing manner is very nice. In today's era, we are just calling it fashion, so what we are calling is fashion. But what the fashion? We can wear anything. Okay, ऊपर का टॉप अलग पहना, नीचे का अलग पहना चलता है. एक पैर में चप्पल दूसरे पैर में चप्पल दूसरी. Fashion. So we call it so called fashion. Why? Because we don't have a time to wear the proper clothes. So Charlie found that the older third level has very nice clothes. The people enjoyed it. Each and every moment they are enjoying. Either it is a marriage ceremony or any educational manner, we can say educational matter was there. They are always enjoying each and every moment. And that is why Charlie is saying that he wants to live such a life. And that is why he has a curiosity in his mind to visit that third level. But whenever he tried to find the look for the third level, second time he didn't get that. And here the Charlie is saying that people resort to some leisure time activities. What does it mean? people resort some leisure time activities. So Charlie also made leisure time activity for himself. He was collecting old stamps. So many people have hobbies, such a hobbies that they are making it interesting for them. They are proved to be interesting as well as their mind can be feeling refreshed, we can say. Their mind is refreshed with such a type of activity. That is why each and everyone. Now, what is today's hobby? Can you guys tell me what is today's hobby the people are doing? Just guess it. Which one? Stamp collection hobby you know? No. Then spelling learn you are doing? No. Then TikTok, isn't it? All the people are finding their life enjoyment only in the TikTok videos they are making. This is their today's era's leisure time activity, isn't it? Hello? Correct or not? Means during that time, Charlie found that today's life is very busy, very fast. We are not getting the time for even we can't spend the time for our family. So the people are get rid of this leisure time. Means they are finding the leisure time and they are doing such activities. That is why, as I told you, modern life is full of insecurity, stress, and fear. We can't live a long life. We wanted to live a long life, but our life is very insecure. We are always in depression. We have a fear of anything in our mind. Means what? We are thinking. What we are thinking? We are thinking more and feeling less. I want to say the sentence here. What the sentence I told you? We are thinking more and feeling less. And that is why whatever we are having, we are not thinking about, we are not feeling that. Suppose I come by my Amaze car, okay? Very nicely I am driving the car, I have a mobile, very costly mobile I am having. But I want to compare my life with others. Someone other of our school is coming with another car that is big one than mine. Then I have a, we can say that greed in mind. My car is only Amaze and the other person has City Honda. Then why should I bought the City Honda? Means such a type of comparison we are making. And the God has given very nice things to us, but we are not ready to feel them. We just what we are doing, we are just thinking others about others. We are comparing our life, and here we are making the mistake of it. And that is the most harsh reality of the today's life. That is why all the rich people, just the student show me that, ma'am, this person is very happy. Just show me one face. No. If you make the survey over the people, you find that each and every people in this world present over here has a lot of depression, lot of tension. He is always in stress. Why? Because he is comparing his life with others. And that is the mistake he is doing here only. So this third level is the chapter shows us that we have to live our life very nicely. Whatever we are having, we just enjoy it. Don't compare with others. Okay. So means if in study it is not possible for all of you to be very good. Okay. Some are excellent, some are good, some are average, some are below average. So those who are below average, the God has given them another skill. Okay. So each and every one of you have some extra skill that God is gifted to you. So flourish your skill. Okay. Make that skill very unique. And with the skill only, I want to suggest one example. Sachin Tendulkar is a person. He was just past 12th standard. He hadn't taken the further education. Then he is in the topmost position. Why? Because he just focused over the skill the God has given to him. That is why. Because he is a great cricketer. Why? Because he just has focused over the great skill he is having. He has not compared his life with others. Okay. So same way, if those personalities, they have taken the birth over here and succeeded in their life. Why? Because they have made focus only on their gifts or the unique skill they are having. If we have learned this, then we are also be a very successful person. But we are not doing that. We are just comparing this one. So stop the compare, enjoy the life. So that is why the Charlie is saying here that whenever he third level of the Grand Central Station in New York, he found that the third level is very nice, and he felt that he have to spend his life with his family there. His wife name is Louisa. So he is a family person and he want to spend his family life in the New York in the third level, because their houses are very big, they are living very nice life there, they are spending much more time with the students, they are teaching to their students, playing with their teaching to their children, kids we can say, playing with them, means all the extracurricular activities the parents of the third level, they have a friendship, okay, they have a relationship. As I told you, in today's era all the relations are secondary. ओके, सपोज मैं अभी बोलूँगी मेरे मामा का लड़का है, तो मामा के मामा का है, तो हम पूछेंगे भी नहीं, हम तो पहचानते भी नहीं है, इवन वी डिडंट नो द नेम ऑफ आवर फोरफादर्स, पूछ के देखो. दिस इज अवर रियलिटी. सो इफ यू वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस रियलिटी, वी हैव टू लर्न दैट हाउ टू फील द एक्चुअल लाइफ. Like the Charlie also wanted to feel the actual life, and he has a curiosity in his mind that he has to shift to the third level only, because there the peace he found there. Peace is the most important word for today's people, for today's era. This is a need of today's population. Why? Because that insecurity, stress and fear makes us disappointed. Okay, and our life is becoming shorter and shorter. Okay, some people, those who are living above 70, they are very lucky, we can say. Okay, we are saying no 75, oh very lucky the person, has lived long, he is living. Why? Because today's life is that much, and that is why our life is making shorter and shorter. So the Charlie made her wish to live in the third level, but accidentally when he went there, and second time he actually searching the third level, he is not getting the third level, and there he is here, means in this chapter we can say that the writer has made, means Charlie has made the combination of fantasy and reality. Fantasy means imagination, whatever we are getting, we want it. We just assume that, we are supposing that means I got that all the levels, I got it, I am a very big and successful person. So the fantasy and reality, but whenever we are in the fantasy, we are very happy. But whenever we come in the reality, we again are very disappointed. Suppose today your result would be there. So many students imagine that they got 75%, someone assume that they got 95. But if you are getting 90 or 70, then you are again see the reality. Destroy your fantasy. So here students, as I told you, Charlie was also experiencing the same life. He is a friend. Second is, his name is Sam, and he explained her problem with the psychiatrist. He told Sam that I am having the problem. Actually, he is not ready to say that he is a problem. He is saying that I went in the third level. I found the third level. Definitely, damn sure I am. So, psychiatrist Sam called that. Actually, he told to Charlie that it is a waking dream wish fulfillment. It is a psychological disorder of the brain. The brain is making such type of events that we are waking dream wish fulfillment. Means Sam told Charlie that you have a psychological problem, and means Charlie's problem's name is waking dream wish fulfillment. Means whatever you are not getting in the present life, you are busy in searching in the past, or you are busy in searching in the we can say that third level. Means this is just the imaginary. Actually, this type of level is not found, and Charlie is not ready to trust Sam, because Charlie is saying to Sam that I am sure that I went in the third level. I saw the people, and even I saw the President Garfield's stamp, because I told you he has a, we can say that, hobby. He is spending a leisure time by collecting the stamps, and he found that whenever he went in the third level, he got the President Garfield stamp also. So means he was very sure. Actually, student, here this chapter is remaining, only half I have explained. The next chapter I will explain in the next lecture. Till then, you just think about today's life. This is not means just not take the map. This is just the chapter. This is the chapter related to your real life. So learn something new from this. Okay? I will continue this